finally how to create a spelling bee mobile app on Google AI Studio. All the mobile apps that you are seeing on my screen here, I built them with Google AI Studio. This Word Connect, Millionaire Trivia Quiz, B Sharp, Artisan's Prize and Codes Calculator, Storyteller app, this Sunday School manual. But purposely for this tutorial, I want to show you the app you can create with Google AI Studio. Alright, it is still launching. Okay, see, you can see how beautiful the home screen is. So I can click the audio button here. So let's get started to creating the app with a prompt. Alright, welcome to my home screen. When I started creating the app, I firstly used Gemini to create a user interface, like in form of image that I can give to Google AI Studio. This is the home screen for Google AI Studio. This is where you can enter your prompts, and I purposely draft, or should I say ask Gemini to create an image of a user interface of the mobile app for me, so that I will reference it when I'm building the app. So I want to download the image, save as, let me save it on my system. I think I have already downloaded this, but let me re-download it. Okay, so let me just come to Google AI Studio. This is a prompt. If you need the prompt for this particular app, you can say hi in the comment section. I will find a way to, or you can join my community. I will paste inside the community on this my YouTube channel. So you'll find the link in the description below. Alright, let me copy and paste these prompts that I want to use to build the spelling bee mobile app. So this is the home screen for this is not the home screen, but once you want to build a new app, you come here and then it will give you this. And when you want to build a mobile app, make sure you click on this build an Android app, that is create a native app with Kotlin and the Android SDK. So I want to paste the prompts here, and once I paste the prompts, just hit send, build control R. So it will start processing. It will start processing the mobile app, and it will start building rather. So it is building. It is building. It is building. So once it's done, you will see a perfect job on this in a preview interface. So let's wait while it is still processing. I would have to cut out all this processing period so that this video will not be too long for you to view. So this is the app that we have built. So that's that. So if you want prompt for this particular app, you can just let me know in the comments section. Okay, these 6 apps that you are seeing on my screen, this one, let me press back, this one, B Sharp, Artisan's Prize, Storyteller, Sunday School manual are built with Google AI Studio, but this particular app is the B Sharp app that we just built with the prompts we did. Let me launch it. Oh, sorry, I'm clicking my system. Let me click on my phone so that you will see what we are talking about. So let me try, because I've played the game to a particular level. Let me relaunch it. So this the game, you can see how beautiful the screen is. I'm already on, I think, level 70, I think. So let me clear data so that it can start from fresh. Clear data, clear cache. Okay, so let me relaunch the app so you can see how smooth and beautiful the app is. I love it so much. The app is beautiful. Alright, okay, I can see. So let me click on the audio button here. Branch. I think the word I heard is branch. So if it's correct, I submit. Wow. Next one, next level.
Blossom.
Awesome. I didn't hear. Blossom. If in case if I don't know, you can see here, a flower is bloom, especially a fruit tree blossom or blossom. So I can use hints to do it, and at the same time it can display ads. So it's because I still have coins I'm trying to look at. Okay, so though that's not the right way, but there is a way that will show ads. You can add ads to it. But let me hear that word again. Let me hear bubble. Field. So that's the app. You can see how beautiful the screen is. So see you next time and have a blessed day.